Alright guys, we got these sent out to all the winners. That's awesome. But you know what? I do have one special one I want to give away. Kevin has been a big part of this channel for me. Always willing to ride, always willing to help me out. So I got one of these for him. But I mean, I can't give him a regular ordinary J-Fast one. We gotta give him a special one. I'm not gonna reveal it just yet. But his might be Rose Bonbon. Just for you, buddy. Oh, he's ready to go. Oh, where is he? Brought your own helmet holder. Fancy J-Fast status.
Fancy J-Fast status. Ooh.
We got some hardware.
Yeah. Look at it. Who is it? Get him.
Where are you gonna mount it?
Right over there.
Well, fuck, let's put her up.
Right now?
Yeah. Yeah, we gotta do a nice little video.
You need it for the video? What do we got?
Very easy to assemble.
The bag of goodies.
Comes with all the necessary hardware.
Ooh. Nice powder coat.
Thanks to BLR Fab. Oh, speaking of BLR Fab, there's BLR Fab right there.
And on the fridge.
And on the fridge.
And on the fridge.
Let's get some heavy.
Oh, look who else is down.
Oh, there's some bearded bobber down there. We get some heavy sponsorship here. What do you think, Sadie? What do you think? Yeah. Yeah, sweating too. It's gonna be sweaty in California. Yeah. Oh, we'll just put it together and. Oh yeah. Well, we made your special.
Oh.
A little Rose Bonbon. I really only wanted you to do that on camera. A little Rose Bonbon.
Beauty. She's going in.
Brandon's so proud of that. Yeah. Dude, I have been hanging on to that for months.
That penis?
Months.
We're gonna show the white.
Now we gotta get you holding as a thumbnail. Oh, you know what? Fucking BLR Fab made it. Doesn't line up. How about a thumbs up? There you go. Done. Video's made. Just need a little 3-minute video.
You got the regular one, or is that the one that stays?
No, that's all you get. That's it. That's the only one there is. Yeah.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's get the fuck out of here.